One day I think I'll say it's a mix of Pilates, yoga, and weightlifting. I've been waiting to say that for a long time.
My strength has just been shooting off the roof, and today I'm actually comfortable lifting a different human being and sort of like running.
For young athletes, I would say the first thing you have to do is hydrate.
I don't eat anything before a workout. I usually take 2 hours after I eat something to train. And I prefer to train empty stomach whenever my schedule allows me.
Okay,
That's
I'm
a
going to
really
tell
good
you this.
question.
I'm going to tell you this,
Yeah.
okay? I have bought the coolest thing on Amazon. It is a stepping
It's not
machine.
a workout, Meera.
You step on that,
It's not a
you
workout,
stay in
Meera.
one place, and you can like walk 20, 30 floors, climb 20, 30 floors, staying in one place. If you had 10 minutes to do it, do that. I'm not swapping with Shah. They're
No,
too
she
intense.
can't swap with me.
I wish I could say it's a mix, but it's like hardcore weight powerlifting. One day I think I'll say it's a mix of Pilates, yoga, and weightlifting. I've been waiting to say that for a long time. Just no, not happening as of now. Anyone who has a 1.5 hour morning routine is motivated enough.
You'll probably spot me in the gym than any place else. And it has a lot of conditioning, it has a lot of functional and weights and a lot of cardio. So I've realized that I'm also someone who don't like saying no. So my trainers also tend to keep pushing me in terms of the weights and the cardios. My strength has just been shooting off the roof, and today I'm actually comfortable lifting a different human being and sort of like running. I think I shouldn't make these statements. Okay.
Right now, I actually do a lot of weights. I used to do Pilates, which I stopped doing just because of time constraint. But right now the weather is really nice, so I go and out for my outdoor runs. So I do about 5 to 7 kilometers every day. For young athletes, I would say the first thing you have to do is hydrate. That's very, very important because that's what I used to do when I was playing. For young people who are not athletes, it's different, but definitely if you're athletes, because we need to be so hydrated. And as athletes, we lose so much water in the process of the day because we are practicing so much and working out so much. But it's just so much better. You feel so much more energy when you have water in your body.
I don't plan it. My trainer plans it. And I always ask him कि महेश सा आज क्या करना है? He's like मैं बताता हूँ. वो mind को ना surprise करना चाहिए. And I was like नहीं, mind को prepare करना चाहिए कि हमें अगली 45 मिनट में क्या करना है. So if you prepare me, then I can prepare my muscles. He said नहीं, surprise देना चाहिए. Body को alert होना चाहिए. So I just leave it to him. So we do strength training. I think that as a woman in my mid-40s, strength training is very important, more than cardio. But I also play badminton once in the week, which was today for me. And that is for me stress busting. It's competitive, it's fun, and it's also great cardio. But generally, I do 2 days of legs in the gym, Monday, Thursday, maybe. And then 1 day of upper body, 1 day of core. So maybe 4 days of strength training. And that works for me. So I think a lot of people ऐसे डर जाते हैं कि मेरे पास 1 घंटा नहीं है, so I won't even work out today. But it's not like that. Even if you have 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can do something. There are exercises that you can do. And I've followed them on Reels. There's, I think, a 3-minute, it feels like 30 minutes of an abdominal, like intense, hardcore workout that you can do, which just involves your body and a mat. You don't even need any equipment. And you can do crunches and you can do all kinds of things that have fancy names, but you feel really worked out as a result.
I love working out. That is my me time of the day. I love doing functional training. I love lifting weights. I love doing deadlifts and cleans and squat cleans, and my trainer designs my workout every day, Tridev Pandey. He's great at it.
Yeah, I try my best to go to the gym at least 3 or 4 times in a week. I love weight training and I hate cardio, but I try. I split my workout into like a leg day and then upper body, shoulder, chest and back and all of those. But yeah, I love pushing good weights. If it's a weight training day, then I'll be like, yeah, let's go, get it.
I keep telling myself it's fine that I don't exercise that often because then I give my body a jolt when I exercise.
This is my answer. Kettlebell swing. I think they're a perfect full body workout.